Hello, techies. This is CompTIA Lab 5.4.13, and we're going to secure a small wireless network. Alright, so all of the tasks are highlighted here on the left pane, and these are the things that we're going to be working on in this lab. So let's see what we have to do. If this were to be a real network, you would change so in this scenario, you've installed a new router in your home office. You have already connected your desktop computer to the router with an Ethernet cable. Your next step is to set up the wireless network so you can connect your laptop. To configure the wireless access point, use Chrome on home PC. Address is going to be 192.168.0.254, and the username is going to be admin, while the password remain password. If this were to be a real network, you would change those right away, but that is not part of this lab. All right, so I think we should just start up right away, and we are going to also give the network an SSID, and the SSID can be changed on the basic setting subtab of the wireless tab. Add the SSID Bettyfly Wi-Fi to the 2.4 GHz interface before you leave this page. Scroll to the bottom and click Apply Settings to save your work. Add encryption and a password to the wireless network. The encryption and password can be configured on the wireless security subtab of the wireless tab. Alright, so add the SSID Bettyfly uh, to the 2.4 GHz interface. Before you leave this page, scroll to the bottom and click Apply Settings to save your work. Add encryption and a password to the wireless network. The encryption and the password can be configured on the wireless security subtab of the wireless tab. Use the WPA2 PSK encryption set hard guess as the shared key, which is the password also. Before you leave this page, scroll to the bottom and click Apply Settings to save your work. Return to the computer desk and connect the laptop to the wireless network you just configured. Okay, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. So I guess we'll go ahead and start up lab. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Wireless access point, and let's go here. Let's go to the back and see the connectors at the back. Okay, so we close this, and let's see. Okay, so we'll move back to the network area. So we have Cat6 um, plugged in here. Let's see if the other where the other end is plugged to. The other end is connected to the 1 by 1 base T. Okay. Let's take this to the back. Let's plug this in here. And let's see. See. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so let's see the other end here is not connected also. Let's see the overview of this. Um, okay, so this is connected to this. Alright, this the other end is not connected anywhere. Okay, so that is what I've been looking for. Alright, so this one So let's see the other end of this, is it connected? The other end, is it connected? The other end is connected also, both can be connected. Alright, so we only have one cable that is not connected. Okay. So we're going to the computer and see what we have. The network here is connected and plugged in. So we'll go to to Google and try to see. So 192.168.0.5 and 192.168.0.254 rather 255, and to bring us into this Windows security, we put in the username and password, which is admin, and the password is going to remain password also. Okay. Let's see. Uh, Go ahead and apply this. And it's going to ask us for the password now. We're going to remain admin, and for this password, we're going to type this password in, and this opens up. SSID has been changed, and let's see. This is going to be the new um, password here, the new share password. So we can just copy this and paste this here. And this is going to be WPA2PSK. Ensure you apply. Let's go back into computer. Let's go into the monitor and see what we have in the monitor. The internet is not connected, so let's go ahead and see. Now let's go back and let's look at the options we have. This is it here. Connect automatically. We input the password. Just paste it here. Click on next, and it is now connected. So just to be sure, let's go to Chrome and try to type in anything, search for anything. Okay, so this is connected and working. Everything seems fine here. Return to the computer desk and connect the laptop to the wireless computer. We've done that. So we return to the computer desk and let's see. Something like this. Take it to the top. So this is what we have at the top. Have the slot here. And let's take it back to front. Oh, okay. All right, so let's go ahead and um, let's see. Take it back to So okay, stick it here. So I think everything here seems fine. We achieved all the tasks here. Let's see how we do. So we go ahead and score la, and this is 100%. All right. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. And if you need further assistance, hit me up in the comment section with a question and or reach out to me through the WhatsApp number attached to this video. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.